When was the last time you looked like a movie star? Are you paying too much for that fabulous look? Or are you getting stuck with an outdated look? Boost your confidence at solaceconnect.com. Latest fashion accessories, electronics, jewelry, and more. Explore high-quality merchandise at low prices. New merchandise being added daily. Our sales and discounts guarantee you get a smashing look for less. Visit solaceconnect.com today.
I hope everyone is doing well today. This video is going to be a video to explain to you how to renew your Vader Stream subscription, or how to actually purchase a Vader Stream subscription. I could not show you all of the details because it would include my personal information, and I wouldn't want somebody to get my account information and start to use that information to watch TV with my Vader Stream account. So here I'm showing you the process of actually adding Vader Streams. You should be familiar with getting into File Manager, clicking on Add Source, and here you would type the address for Vader Streams. And that address is http://vader.tv/repo. And of course you see the address being typed in the media location field or input area. Once I finish typing this information, then I would click Done, and I would assign a name to the media source, something that would be easy for me to identify. The other thing you'll notice is that the build that I'm using is the post build, but you can accomplish this same thing in any of the other builds out there. Now I will back out of File Manager, and then I would click on System, and then click on Add-ons, and then I would go to Install from Zip File. Scroll down the list of zip file locations and click on Vader Streams. That is the one we just added, or that I just added. I'm assuming you're following along, so I'm assuming you're adding this stuff. Now click on repository.vader-streams.tv, and then click on repository vaderstreams.tv, whatever the zip file would be called. Give it a few seconds and you will notice on the right hand side of the screen, Vader Stream add-on has been installed, or Vader.tv add-on. That's the repository. So now you can go to Install from Repository, scroll down to Vader Streams. As we're scrolling down to Vader Streams, I want you to look at all these repositories here. All of those repositories, they were added by the by installing the Pulse build, and you can do that in the Ares Wizard. So now that I'm in the Vader Streams repository, I'll click on Video Add-ons, and then click on Vader Streams, and then install. And this video I actually cut some of the process out, and that was the waiting process, waiting for Vader Streams to actually install. It takes a while. It probably takes about like 5-6 minutes for it to actually download the required files. But once it's downloaded it, then you'll see the Vader Streams add-on is installed. Now once you install it, this window will pop up requiring you to type in your username and password. If you have already purchased a subscription to Vader Streams and you received an email with your username and password, you would enter it there. Just as if you renewed your account and maybe you created a new build or installed a new build, you would enter your old information there. What's taking place here is that I've actually gone to Solace Connect's website, and as you can see, it's a full-fledged online store. However, we started in this business selling media devices, media streaming devices. So I have a page there, a blog there that actually has information on accessing Vader Stream's website. And also it speaks on the process of installing Vader Streams. So I went to that page so I could get the address to the Vader Stream website for registration, renewal or registration. You would do it all there at vaderstream.com. When the page comes up, all you need to do is click on sign up here. If you already have a member account, then you would just go to members login and then type in your information. I already have a members account. However, I needed to renew my account or renew my subscription. So what I did, I logged in with my username and password, and I only did a renewal for 6 months. So I selected 6 months. But for you individuals that do not have an account, then you would actually fill in this information, click next, and then it would ask for a credit card. Always use a prepaid credit card. I learned the hard way going to not Vader Streams, but to another site for cable TV service they were offering, and my credit card got compromised. So here, as I told you, I clicked on login, so I typed in my personal account information. I couldn't show you all of that. So nevertheless, I went in ahead of time and I actually configured my Vader Stream account. So that's why you see updated video on demand library and etc. So let's pretend that you had not configured it already. Remember where we left off at. It was asking for an account name previously. So I'm going into video add-ons. I'm going to click on Vader Streams again so I can get us back to that point where an account was required, a username and password. So I'm clicking on Vader Streams. Remember, when you install Vader Streams, it's located in video add-ons. And within the Vader Stream application, you can use whatever build you want to use. You can access the TV guide by way of Vader Streams as well. So here I'm clicking on settings. So once I opened up Vader Streams, I clicked on settings and I would have entered in my account information. The next thing you need to do when you enter in your account information is go to EPG groups and then click on configure EPG groups. When you do that, a menu item will come up and it will have all of these categories for country. Recently I had someone reach out to me by way of chat at solaceconnect.com, and if you have any questions you can always go to solaceconnect.com. Like I said, we sell a whole bunch of things related to low-cost ways to look like a star, to look like a movie star, to dress and everything. So anyway, enough of that. But you can go there and you can chat with myself or the staff, and we can answer questions for you. So anyway, this person reached out to me on chat and he wanted to know, can he watch Turkish films or TV, cable TV in Vader Streams? Well, I told him I wasn't sure. I'm pretty sure it's in there. But nevertheless, I'm looking right now at the list, and I guess his question's answered. There's nothing in there for Turkish cable TV. So I'm sorry about that. I told him to sign up on our email list because I would do this video and I would provide an answer for him in the video. So anyway, when that list came up, I would have selected the languages for cable TV that I was interested in. Since I'm here in America, I just want American stations. Because if I add anything else, it's going to put a whole bunch of channels on there that I may not want to go through, or that I know for sure I would not want to go through. So in the VadaStream add-on, you can open that up and you'll see where it says Kodi Guide. You can click on that and you can access the TV guide. The reason why I bring that up is because I made a video some time back and I told individuals that you need to go into the default Kodi build in order to enjoy Vader streams and access the TV guide. You don't need to do that. Just go into video add-ons, select Kodi guide. Go to video add-ons, select Vader streams, and then inside of Vader streams, select Kodi guide. The neat thing about that is that before you select it, you can use your mouse controller to access the menu item for that option, Kodi guide, and it will allow you to add it to your favorites. So then you only need to go into your favorites to access that guide. You don't have to go and locate Vader Streams add-on. So anyway, Vader Streams is a great product to get. If you don't have it, I'm telling you right now, get it. It really makes life easier. If you do not want to spend the $11 or $12 a month for Vader Streams, then just use Mobdro. Mobdro will give you access to cable TV minus the guide and the number of channels that you have access to. One other thing, with Vader Streams, you also will have access to video on demand and also TV episodes that have recently aired, like Walking Dead and etc. So it's a great application. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please continue to visit Solace Connect. And once again, we are grateful for all of the support, all of the people that come to the website and buy products. Thank you. We're really grateful for you.